Day, month, and year functions are used to split a certain part of date or datetime data. We have used the datePart function in previous lessons to split data of date or datetime type. In the playlist, you can find the video where I explain in detail how the datePart function works. We could send one of the day, month, or year parameters to the datePart function and split the second data. We could even send the millisecond parameter to the datePart function. Since splitting operations related to day, month, and year are used very frequently, special functions for these are included in T-SQL. We can split a date or datetime type data with the day, month, or year functions without using the datePart function. Let's better understand how functions are used by making an example in SQL Server. First, let's remember how the datePart function works. Day is sent as the first parameter. This means I want to split the day part of the second parameter sent in date or datetime data type. We can separate the day part of a date or datetime data type by using the day function instead of datePart. We reach the same conclusion. We can split the month portion of the data using the month function. In the previous lessons, we learned that we can reach the current date by using the getDate function. Thanks to the year function, we print the current year. Now let's do an example using a table. I will create a table with employee information. I'm sending 10 data to the table. I can see the data in the table using the select command. I can split the data in the date column using year, month, or day functions. We split the year part of the data in the date column. Let's run the month and day functions. In summary, you can use these functions to access the day, month, and year parts of date or datetime data. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.